Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you that delicious and refreshing recipe of Starbucks Kiwi Starfruit Lemonade prepared at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemons, kiwi, starfruit, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious kiwi starfruit lemonade at home. So you know something, let's get started and let's prepare it and enjoy it. I want to start by making the simple syrup. I have 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and let's take it to the stove. You know something, it really doesn't take too long. When you start seeing the granules of sugar dissolving, the water is going to get a little bit cloudy, but a minute later it's going to start getting nice and clear, just like that. Let's reserve it. I have here my fruits, and let's go ahead and rinse them out very good. You know something, this is the part you cannot skip. You need to rinse your fruit very good. Okay, let's go to the working table. I want to start first here with my lemons, and of course these are organic lemons from my garden. I'm going to show you that they have no seeds at all, so I am going to use the pulp of the lemons. This water really comes out amazing. Once you make it at home, I know you're going to continue making this delicious lemonade. Well, here I'm going to start getting the juice of the lemons. Remember, when you make these drinks, you could add as much lemon or as much kiwi or as much starfruit as you want. It all depends how much water you are going to use. I am using 1.5 liters. And look, I have all the juice here of my lemons, and I am going to show you that the pulp is in there, and I'm going to use it too. I have my 3 kiwis here, and I'm going to start cutting the edges so that it doesn't run around while I'm taking the skin off. Be careful, you want to just remove the skin, not the pulp. Well, here I'm going to continue getting all the skin off completely, just like that. Once you have all your kiwis like that, well then let's go ahead and slice them through the center and start cubing them in very small little pieces. You want to incorporate the kiwi in this delicious lemonade, and you could see it all through all the water. So here I am completely done. I'm going to reserve all this kiwi, put it in this plate, but let me show you how this looks. The smaller you could cut the kiwi, the better, so that when you are drinking, you really enjoy the kiwi. Here we have the star fruit. Look at this. Every single one, it's a little bit different, but you know something? I'm going to take the edges off from both sides, and I'm going to take this little edge, being very careful, just the little edge, because those little edges seem to be very sour. So that's why I'm removing it very carefully so that this lemonade comes out nice and sweet and tart. Well, look, it's clean completely from all the sides, and now I am ready to slice it and show you all these little and tiny stars. Look at this. Of course that this star fruit has seeds, so just make sure that you get the seeds out of every single star. Well, I'm going to continue taking the stars out completely because I can't wait to start making this delicious lemonade. Look at this. I am completely done removing all the seeds, and now I am ready to put it aside and continue with the next step. But every single one, look at this, every single one is a star. Oh my gosh. Here I have my blender. I'm going to add the stars in here. I'm going to add some kiwi. Of course, I reserve stars and kiwis on the side. I'm adding water, and let's blend it away. And it really doesn't take too long. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to this glass cup. And here I am going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add the water, add the lemon juice, of course the pinch of salt, the sugar. Remember that this is the simple syrup. And now I am ready to prepare and show you from close up how this delicious mixture looks. You could see the little specks of the kiwi, but yet the color is the color of the stars. Well, now I'm adding some ice and of course some stars to my pitcher, adding some kiwi, and I'm gonna continue adding ice, adding kiwi, adding stars. And you know something, I can't wait to enjoy. Here in California, it's so hot that I'm sure that I'm really going to enjoy this drink. Look at this. This looks amazing, and I'm sure that it's gonna taste delicious and refreshing. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in a bit. Done with this delicious Kiwi Starfruit lemonade. No need to go outside and buy this delicious and refreshing lemonade when you can make it at home. Let's see how it came out. Excuse me. You could feel those little pieces of kiwi and the flavor is so refreshing. You know something? This came out amazing. This lemonade is perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious Kiwi Starfruit lemonade. Of course, made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.